Right in the middle of the global economic crisis in 1932, Alphonse and Karl Knauf established a gypsum plaster plant in Perl on the Moselle, thereby laying the foundation for Knauf, a family-owned company. In 1949, a gypsum plaster plant was constructed in Epoven, located in Lower Franconia. 1958, the first gypsum board plant was constructed in Epoven. 1964, the introduction of the first machine-applied projection plaster, MP75. In 1971, the first foreign subsidiary was founded in Austria. 1977, the first successful line trials with FGD gypsum used as raw material. 1978, the entry into the U.S. market with the acquisition of what is today known as Knauf Insulation in Shelbyville, Indiana. 1979, the acquisition of Richter Systems, a manufacturer of metal studs and panels for walls and ceilings. 1980, the market launch of a self-leveling floor screed based on anhydrite. 1987 through 1992, the commencement and expansion of operations in Southern and Western Europe. Starting with the 1980s, Nikolaus and Baldwin Knauf, the sons of the founding fathers, led the Knauf Group at a healthy growth rate into a very successful future. In 1992, the acquisition and successful integration in the Knauf Group of the Danish gypsum board manufacturer Danogips. 1993-1994, the acquisition and upgrading of a number of production facilities in Russia, as well as the construction of a board plant in Počerady in the Czech Republic. In 1995, the first sales operations in Slovakia, Hungary, and the Baltic countries. In Germany, the purchase of a 50% share in AMF in Grafenau, one of the world's most state-of-the-art high-performance manufacturers of functional mineral fiberboard ceilings. 1997, the start of operations in China, Argentina, Brazil, Croatia, and Turkey. 1998, the start of sales operations in Bulgaria and the commissioning of the first gypsum board plant in Wuhu, China. In 1999, the beginning of market penetration in Slovenia. 2000, the construction of a second Chinese gypsum board plant in Machong and the commissioning of plants in Brazil and Latvia. In 2001, the commissioning of a gypsum board plant facility in Argentina. 2002 through 2003. In early 2002, the production of low-density insulation began in a new plant located at Shasta Lake, California. The acquisition of the European Insulation Division of the Alcapor Group, formerly known as Owens Corning and renamed Knauf Insulation. Furthermore, a gypsum board plant began operation in Indonesia, as did further plants in China. The Knauf Group also acquired the remaining shares of AMF. 2004, the acquisition of Norgips, with production facilities in Drammen, Norway, and Opole, Poland. In 2006, Knauf Insulation acquired Heraclete, an important manufacturer of rock and wood mineral wool with a strong market position in Central and Eastern Europe. The manufacture of glass mineral wool began at a new plant in Krupka in the Czech Republic. 2007, construction of a glass wool plant in Stupino, Russia. The acquisition of Sacrate, a producer of dry mortars for new buildings and refurbishment. Also that year, the first building convention was held in Epoven. In mid-2009, Knauf Insulation introduced ECOS technology, a binder-based technology used in the entire production of glass mineral wool. ECOS technology is based on renewable bio-based ingredients that are free from formaldehyde, phenols, and acrylics, without the use of artificial colors, bleach, or dyes. In 2010, the construction of a glass mineral wool plant in Lomisson, France. The reopening of the Knauf Museum in Epoven. Today, with over 220 plants, more than 70 quarries in over 60 countries, and a workforce of 22,000 worldwide, Knauf is one of the world's leading manufacturers of construction materials. People are what make up a company's corporate culture. Since July 2008, the Knauf Group has been led by the personally liable shareholders and general partners Manfred Grunke and Hans-Peter Ingenilum. We're always there when you need us, accessible and with the proper solutions. We stay in touch with our partners constantly in the architect's office, with specialist retailers, or on site. We accompany you with our products and systems right until you occupy a building. Knauf is active on the market for you and with you.